telling about the Internet of Things. So, Internet of Things is a one word has to connect every device to Internet. So, this is especially who is going to freshers and majorly experienced people like a .NET based application developers and who is artificial intelligence people architecture levels and especially electronics who is going for embedded people. They're very useful this course internet of things IoT. What is especially internet of things as coming to the picture, this is already known the technology. Why actually it's a major role of internet of things as play as a different roles as a human beings things. Actually this internet of things already is there, but 1998 internet already device which is connected through embedded, but they will be connected with the remoting base. After this more technology coming to the picture has completely was the sensors, everything is coming to the is like a protocols Wi-Fi with the sims sent to the data through the internet to the website. This all is coming to the picture. Why? What is the purely of Internet of Things? So what is the history of behind that, how it works? So this is going to picture we have to present for the present status. What is the current actually these IoT made majorly critical rules, because nowadays every technology is going to the booster, because actually IoT base we have to operate somewhere else in the around the global world also. If they, in case for example I take one scenario as house like a smart IoT based application smart home. So we have to control I forgot actually to switch on switch off the fans at home and TV, everything is connected with the internet, whatever the Wi-Fi devices. I have to so in the case I might go the morning 8 o'clock, I'm not switch off everything. So I go to my home, or I go to office, I have to come to 7 o'clock. So there will be uh, power will be consumption more up to 8 to, so up to 7 is a consumption more. Well, because I'm not remembered to switch off all fans or lights or TVs. So at the time these will be IoT based applications. So I have to where I'm going for the office or somewhere else, I have to switch on the fans through the mobile devices. These all those sensors will connected through the app or mobile based applications. This is a beautiful scenario. This is a base thing application for that. So what is the Internet of Things especially? So physical sensors already I know the web applications is there, the software is there. So already sensors are there, but they will be not connected properly before whatever the technology revolution going on after Android before versions. So after everything, so some people are electronics peoples and software peoples, these sensors peoples, everybody connected through the internet, through the Wi-Fi, through the ITV protocol. So everything is some IPTV protocols, TCP/IP protocols, everything MQTT protocols, everything will be major role as embedded to send the data through the Wi-Fi. These every collective data through the internet exchange data to one of whatever the sensors control. Though we can bring this a picture, these IoT based applications will be held on. So, as a thing, as a context of the international things, IoT entered to the physical objects. So, like we know it, we already explained this thing. Also, the every everything is expected not only this way. Be a heart rate applications like monitoring breath analyzers and humidity for the agriculture purpose, so soil moisturing. So these every devices have plenty of device, not a pressure device. Everything is not only this thing is a more than 70 technologies according to the this IoT based application is connect to the autonomous device like a robotics. They collect the data and as a working as a autonomous. They will be they'll be tracking with the sensors, sending the data and receive the data to control the data with the for the robotics purpose also as a base IoT things. And what are the especially